Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and that the card reader sees your Pokémon disc. This ensures the system will register your team. Once ready, insert your card or disc and wait for the machine to read it. Listen for confirmation tones. Then select play or tap to start. Choose quick battle if you want a fast match. Make sure to watch the tutorial prompt and accept it if unfamiliar, because this step unlocks movement controls and basic attack inputs for the next phase of play. You need to control positioning first. Move close to opponents to trigger strikes, then back off to avoid counters. Spatial play wins jail matches. Once engaged, use primary attacks for combos and watch your special meter build. Release a skill when charged to maximize damage. Make sure to swap Pokémon between rounds to exploit type advantages and preserve health. Also pay attention to timing for blocking and boost windows, because precision in these middle steps decides whether you keep momentum into the final phase. You conclude matches by depleting opponent health or meeting the arena objective, then collect rewards displayed on screen. You can scan new cards to expand your roster. Once the session ends, confirm your progress saved to your account or card and decide whether to queue another match. If the machine misreads a card or disc, clean the reader surface and reinsert. If problems persist, ask arcade staff for a reset. That single troubleshooting step prevents lost credits and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.